Tomorrow is International Credit Union Day, and we're kicking off the celebrations by learning more about these financial institutions. Schoolsfirst Federal Credit Union is here to share a little more about what credit unions are and why they're worth celebrating. Here to explain is Travis Mara, the Roseville branch manager for Schoolsfirst Federal Credit Union. Hey, Travis.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. So a big celebration coming tomorrow. What is International Credit Union Day all about?
Yeah, like you said, International Credit Union Day is tomorrow, October 19th, and it's really just a day to kind of recognize and celebrate the credit union movement, as well as the value that credit unions bring, not just to the members, but to the communities it serves.
Yeah.
It occurs on the third Thursday in October, and actually this year is the 75th anniversary, so big deal. And having personally worked in credit unions for 16 years, this is an event that I hold near and dear to my heart.
Yeah, that's why we're matching. We're rocking the colors for Schoolsfirst today. And for those who don't know, can you give us an overview of what exactly a credit union is?
Yeah, it's a great question. To get it asked a lot. A credit union is a not-for-profit financial organization that really exists just to serve its members.
Yeah.
And much like banks, credit unions accept deposits, make loans, and have a variety of financial services. A great thing about credit unions is any of the profits are returned back to the members in the form of better rates on their loan products, as well as lower fees and a low to no cost services.
All right, and there's a lot of similarities between a bank and a credit union, but also some key differences. Can you talk about what those are?
Yeah, definitely. There are several differences between credit unions and banks. Kind of the first difference, I would say, is credit unions somewhat limit who can join. Each credit union is going to vary differently on where their membership comes from. Some it may be based on like a specific employer group. Others it may just be where they are, like a geographic location. Another difference is credit unions are cooperative, even amongst other credit unions. Many credit unions like to leverage that kind of pooled resources mentality. And what they do is they utilize each other's resources to tap into kind of a shared branch and ATM network. So what that means is members of certain credit unions can access surcharge-free ATMs nationwide, as well as use shared branches. So it feels like they're going into their own branch of their own kind of credit union, even though it's out of the area. And then finally, my favorite difference is credit union decisions are made by a member-appointed board. And those decisions are based on what's best for the members, not shareholders. And so you really have that member ownership type of feeling, and every member does get a vote, and they can use that vote to determine who sits on that board. So your voice really does matter in credit unions.
Yeah, one of the things I hear from people who have credit unions that they like is on Thursdays they get the paycheck for the direct deposit opposed to Friday. So that's
day early, yes.
There you go. So that's a plus. And since credit unions are owned by members, tell us more about the safety behind credit unions.
Yeah, safety, especially in this environment, is very key. A lot of members are concerned about that. So all federally insured, credit union deposit accounts are insured by the NCUA, and that stands for the National Credit Union Administration. The NCUA, provides coverage to ensure members' deposits are covered through all federally insured credit unions, and that coverage is generally about $250,000 per member.
Wow. Okay, and we're all in. So how can we celebrate this big day, this occasion?
Yeah, exactly. Glad you asked. So, it is a great day to just kind of take a look at yourself and see, am I eligible to join a credit union, and learn about how that eligibility can really benefit me in a personal, financial situation. We all are always looking at how can I better my financial picture, and it's a great way. So, for example, Schoolsfirst Federal Credit Union serves school employees and their immediate families. So if you or your immediate family works for a school or a school district in California, whether it's an educator or a classified employee, you're eligible for our membership. And since we have kind of a specific membership, our products and services are tailored and geared for that membership. For example, we have loans that are for classroom supplies, uniforms, computers, or even higher education, as well as other specific needs for our membership base. We have deposit products such as a summer saver or a paycheck planner that is designed and geared to help our school employees save for those summer months. So, it's just an example of how credit unions are designed to benefit their membership exclusively and specifically.
Yeah.
So, you know, any other information you're looking for on the difference between credit unions and banks, please visit our website at schoolsfirstfcu.org.
Alrighty, we're looking at some of those pictures of people who have been members for quite some years, so that's amazing.
Yeah, it's, and it's a gift of membership. You
Yeah.
can pass it down to your family, and so it
Yeah.
truly is kind of a hometown feel and people helping people, which is how credit unions all started.
There we go. Well, I know I'm saying it early, but happy International Credit Union
Thank
Day to you.
you. Likewise.
Alrighty, and you can visit one of the many Schools First Federal Credit Union branch locations as seen on the screen. And like Travis mentioned, you can find out more online by going to schoolsfirstfcu.org. YCL will be right back.